This tutorial explains how to complete the QA4LiDAR Extent Check. After the automated checks have been completed, the user can progress to the Extent Check. If a DEM mosaic dataset was not provided on the project settings page, the user can either return to settings to provide an existing DEM mosaic dataset, either supplied with the delivery or pre-generated from project DEM tiles, or choose to generate a mosaic dataset. If the user chooses to generate a mosaic dataset, a loading dialog will appear while the dataset is generated from the project DEM tiles. As the tiles are loaded into the mosaic, they will color green in the loading dialog. If a project is being reopened, a mosaic dataset already exists and there's been no change to the project DEM tiles since its creation. The previous screen won't appear, as the existing mosaic will be used to avoid wasting time regenerating one. Once a mosaic dataset has been generated, this Continue screen appears. The user can either select to continue, to load the check extents map using the basic extents, or they can tick the box to generate detailed DEM extents. If you are working with a large dataset with many tiles, the basic extents can take some time to generate. The detailed DEM extent is optional, as this can take a very long time to generate. The same loading dialog as when generating the mosaic will appear, followed by the check extents map. Extents for the LAS and DEM data are generated while this loading dialog is visible. The LAS shapefile displayed in the check extents window is created by extracting the ArcGIS LAS dataset LAS file extents. Hence, most polygons will be square, or the tile size, while any boundary tiles partially filled with data will be rectangular or smaller than the tile size. The polygons will not show internal holes in the data. The basic DEM shapefile is extracted from the DEM mosaic footprint. Again, this extent will not represent internal holes. To identify internal holes in the DEM, the user should tick to generate the optional detailed DEM extents, as we did, or they can refer to the point density and DEM resolution automated check output density raster. The check extents map shows the DEM boundary hatched in brown, the LAS boundary hatched in yellow, the original project extent with a light blue outline, and also the detailed DEM extents called no data extents as navy blue outline. You're required to investigate the data and determine if the DEM and LAS extents cover the original project extent adequately. You can turn layers on and off in the table of contents, zoom with the mouse wheel, right-click a layer name in the table of contents and zoom to layer, and add data if required. The window will initially be zoomed to the extent of the data. Hence, if it does not appear to be zoomed to the project extent, there may be a coordinate system issue with one or multiple LAS or DEM tiles. If everything appears acceptable, click the Yes Radio button and then click Save, and move to the Visual DEM Check. If the project extent is not fully within the LAS and DEM boundaries, select the No Radio button and briefly describe the problem in the box provided. Select Save and you can move to the Visual DEM Check. Thank you for watching this QA4LiDAR tutorial. For further tutorials, please visit the QA4LiDAR YouTube channel.